Got the pups eating for the first time. Taking to it. They love it, starting to wean them from their mom at 4 weeks. They're enjoying it. Oh yeah. The naturals. You see they're all healthy, strong, looking good. They'll be getting the shots this week. I think we still have 3 available. Once again, we could be reached at area code 385-519-9409. We can also be contacted at our website via email, and that's www.stuntsocietybullies.com. And for everyone who's purchased pups, just giving you an update, letting you see that your pup is nice and healthy, doing well, naturally progressing. All right, I'm signing off. Everyone have a great one. Bye.